Good day, guys. As you all know me, as your mentor, NASDAQ Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload? I'm so excited to see where gold it is today because, remember once uploaded gold somewhere at the bottom side, telling you guys that I think gold will be pushing to the top side. As much as we can see that gold have actually recovered most of its movement, it actually tells us that NASDAQ and USD is going to be recovering that movement. And when I check BTC USD, it's currently like worth 400,000 now, and which with my expectation, I thought can reach 150,000 so I can put an investment on it. But nonetheless, I couldn't invest 200 and something thousand instead. But at the end of the day, guys, I have a lot of knowledge in my head that I'm going to be teaching you over this years. So let's quickly talk about gold, you understand? So at the end of the day, guys, remember when we analyze, we start by the highest point. So this is kind of like a consolidation, the biggest consolidation. So it's like an impulse. There's a correction. The market has to create another impulse in the top side. But at the end of the day, when the market reaches here, it has higher possibilities of reversing at that certain position. So what we're going to do here, we're going to create zones whereby when the market touches, the market has to reverse, understand? So let's quickly create those zones. Let's quickly create those zones. These are the zones, you understand? So trading, it's easy, guys. I always say this ways and you guys tend to not understand it. Trading is easy, but you need to understand how you trade, So one thing I'm going to do, which is like a good thing here and the best thing, understand, is that, once I tell you that if you have a double bottom and you have a channel, man, you have tends to create the new highs, and when I look at the chart, I see everything, without me even analyzing it. I already see a channel going to the bottom side and everything. But let's go to the daily time frame. If you want to see this channel from the breakdown, you can go to our previous videos. You can see from the breakdown, we told you that gold has to push to the top side. You understand? So there's our channel here. So like I always say, I like putting it in the selling candlestick so that it can allow me to say there's a selling position. Understand? So you're gonna come here and do this. So you see, there's a proper channel. You see, so the market broke out. Man, we've been trading gold since it was here. Now check where it is, man. If you could have been holding this trade, you could be in a lot of cash. Understand? Maybe today you could be buying yourself a Lamborghini if ever you were a good listener. Understand? But at the end of the day, man, it's all about you. So at this point, we have a proper zone, which I think we can be taking buying opportunities. A rejection are always telling us that this point is being rejected as being the strongest point. So there you're going to be taking your buying opportunities. You see, so once you analyze a chart, you break it down, you're going to see it once you go over with it. You understand? So trading, it's easy when you break the chart down. You don't just get into M15 and just look for an entry point. I always get question, which time frame do you use to enter a trade? I use the best time frame that I see a proper entry. I could use a daily entry here because I see a proper entry. You understand? So we push to H4 and see what is it that we actually see on an H4 time frame. You understand? It's more important to create everything that you see. So at this point, I see that my proper entry has to come from this point. You understand? So I'm going to come here, and next week is NFP, So gold, we might expect buying opportunities due to the analysis that I'm getting here. They actually telling me that the market is on a good momentum. Understand? So we can put it here and say our take profit is going to be there. So by the rules of a trend, we understand that if I create a trend line here, I don't even have a third touch in the top side. So which I can actually get in the top side. So let me quickly analyze here. You understand? So I get the point that, okay, the market might move here and then come back here. If decide to break it, rather break after reaching there. You understand? So at the end of the day, guys, this is the end of the video. Let's go and watch this one and learn, and make sure that you study everything that I tell you every week. Shout out to you all.